There are things in our world that sound like pure fiction, but are absolutely real. From living creatures that defy biology to historical events that read like a movie script. Today, we explore 30 incredible facts that seem impossible, yet every one of them is true. Let's begin. In Australia, there is Lake Hillier, a perfectly pink lake. Its color stays the same even if you scoop the water into a glass. No filters, no tricks, just nature defying expectations. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 sends it through the rest of the body. A biological system unlike almost any other creature on Earth. Bees communicate through a waggle dance. Yes, they literally dance to show other bees the exact direction and distance to food. A tiny map built into their movements. In Japan, there's an island inhabited entirely by rabbits. It's known as Okunoshima, or simply Rabbit Island, a place where thousands of friendly rabbits roam freely. During the Roman Empire, salt was so valuable it was used as currency. The word salary itself comes from the Latin salarium, a payment once linked to salt. On Saturn and Jupiter, it literally rains diamonds. Extreme pressure deep in their atmospheres turns carbon into crystalline diamond-like particles. An anaconda can hold its breath underwater for up to 10 minutes, matching professional divers in sheer lung control, an ability crucial for ambush hunting. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet. When they land, they're actually tasting the surface to check if it's suitable for laying eggs. The shortest war in history lasted about 38 minutes between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896, a conflict that began and ended almost before the world noticed. Your skin completely renews every 28 days. Meaning you're constantly shedding and regenerating the very surface that protects your body. Turtles don't have vocal cords, yet they can still make sounds, from hisses to low groans, and sometimes eerie cries. Scientists still can't fully explain. In the ocean, there are waters of different colors that don't mix because of differences in density and salinity, creating striking natural boundaries. Elephants cannot be fully domesticated. Even the calmest individuals may suddenly shift into wild behavior, instincts shaped by millions of years. Saturn is lighter than water. If a hypothetical planet-sized ocean existed, Saturn would quite literally float. Iceland has no mosquitoes. Not a single native species, something scientists attribute to its unique climate cycles. On Mars, the sunset isn't red, but blue. Fine dust in the Martian atmosphere scatters sunlight in a completely different way from Earth. Some scarab beetles navigate using the Milky Way. They're among the few creatures proven to orient themselves by stars. Dogs can sense time through scent. As odors in a room fade or shift through the day, they understand when events are supposed to happen. A flipped coin isn't truly 50-50. It's slightly more likely to land on the same side it started on, a quirk of physics most people never notice. In India, there are living bridges grown from tree roots. Over decades, the roots are guided by hand into strong, natural archways capable of lasting centuries. Sharks have no bones. Their entire skeleton is made of cartilage, light and flexible, perfect for fast and silent swimming. Some turtles can sleep underwater for up to 7 hours, lowering their metabolism so much they barely need oxygen. In Oymyakon, Russia, temperatures swing from -68 to +37 degrees Celsius, making it one of the most extreme inhabited places on the planet. An ostrich's eyes are bigger than its brain, giving it exceptional vision but surprisingly limited problem-solving ability. Cows have best friends. They form emotional bonds and experience measurable stress when separated from their chosen companions. The Mariana Trench is the deepest point on Earth, with pressure over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, enough to crush most submarines instantly. Ants never truly sleep. Instead, they take thousands of micro-rests throughout the day, keeping colonies in constant motion. The Amazon River is so powerful that it alters the salinity of the ocean more than 100 kilometers from its mouth. Around Earth orbit more than 160 million pieces of space debris under 1 centimeter. Tiny fragments traveling fast enough to damage spacecraft. The loudest sound in recorded history came from the Krakatoa eruption in 1883. It was heard over 4,000 kilometers away, shattering eardrums hundreds of miles from the source. These were 30 facts that sound unreal, but are absolutely true. If you want more, the channel has many other incredible collections. Thank you for watching.